So, while everyone's still talking about the DJI Neo 2 launch, DJI just managed to steal its own spotlight. Because hours ago, Igor Bogdanov, yeah, the same guy who's been leaking DJI prototypes all year, just dropped something wild on his X account. A full 360-degree spin of the upcoming Osmo Action 6. Front, back, top, bottom, every single detail is out. And honestly, it almost feels too perfect. Either DJI's testing units are walking out the door again, or this is another one of those strategically planned leaks that DJI pretends to be shocked about later. Because remember, the official launch is on November 18th, but at this point, it feels like we've already had a soft reveal. Let's break down what we actually learned from this leak and why it's a bigger deal than people realize. First off, design. From the 360 view Igor shared, the Action 6 looks slightly taller and thicker than the Action 5 Pro, but somehow slimmer on the sides. It's a cleaner, more refined shape, like DJI finally gave the Action line the professional silhouette it always needed. But the small details tell the bigger story. Take that tiny arrow near the battery door. On the Action 5 Pro, it pointed up. You'd press and slide upward to open the battery and SD card compartment. Now, it points sideways. That means the mechanism slides left instead of up. And that tiny change might mean a total internal redesign. DJI probably reworked the layout to improve cooling or waterproof sealing. The new battery door could allow tighter heat dissipation or a more efficient power setup. We also spotted metallic framing inside the shell, likely acting as a heat sink to deal with longer 4K recording sessions. And now, let's talk about that lens, because this is where things start to get serious. It's clearly larger and more pronounced this time, which instantly suggests a new sensor behind it. Leaks confirm it's a 1/1.1-inch sensor, about 40% bigger than what's inside the Action 5 Pro. That's not a small tweak. That's a big jump for an action camera. A larger sensor means cleaner shadows, better low-light performance, and richer colors in tough lighting. Those dark indoor and sunset shots? Expect less noise, more detail, and smoother dynamic range. But here's where it gets wild. The Action 6 reportedly features a variable aperture ranging from f2 to 4. That's a first for DJI's action cameras. You can actually control how much light hits the sensor. Bright daylight? Stop it down to 4 to avoid blowing highlights. Low light or indoor scenes? Open it up to f2 and pull in more detail without cranking ISO. It's a power move, bringing DSLR-style exposure control to a pocket-sized camera. But it's also risky. A variable aperture means moving parts. And for a camera built to survive crashes, splashes, and snowboarding helmets, that's a bold engineering challenge. If DJI pulls it off, it could completely change what action cameras can do creatively. Looking closer at the top-down frame, you can see new vent lines around the lens. That matches early talk of a reworked heat management system, maybe even direct heat channels under the lens housing. It's no secret that the Action 4 and 5 Pro struggled with heat under continuous 4K recording. This new setup looks like DJI's answer to that complaint. Color science is another upgrade worth noting. The Action 6 will reportedly bring a new color curve, focused on better skin tones and smoother highlights, especially under mixed or artificial lighting. Pair that with an updated RockSteady stabilization system, and it might finally match GoPro's Hero 13 inches terms of smoothness and color accuracy. Now, let's talk pricing, because this leak didn't just show the camera, it confirmed what bundles we'll get. The standard combo is expected to launch around $379, while the Adventure combo with the extra batteries and the charging hub will be roughly $479. That puts it right between GoPro's Hero 13 and Insta360's Ace Pro 2, a sweet spot for performance-focused creators who don't want to overpay. So, what does all this mean? Well, DJI clearly isn't just refreshing last year's model. This looks like a genuine leap forward in both performance and build. Larger sensor, variable aperture, better heat management, smarter stabilization. This is DJI going head-to-head with GoPro and Insta360 again, but with a camera that looks ready for serious creators. And Here's the part that really makes me think this leak wasn't an accident. DJI knows exactly how to control hype. They did it with the Neo 2 same playbook. Weeks of accidental leaks, unboxing shots, and then boom, the full launch reveal goes viral because everyone's already talking about it. This 360 spin video from Igor, it fits that pattern perfectly. If the official global launch really happens on November 18th, I'll be testing it the same day. So if you want to see real footage and honest tests before anyone else, make sure to subscribe. I live in China, so I usually get my hands on these before they reach other markets, and this one's already shaping up to be huge. So, what do you think? Was this leak a mistake, or did DJI just pull off the smartest teaser of the year? Let me know below, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.